So today there was a very important matter concerning the legal profession. A lawyer representing the accused, if he does not give any evidence against his own client, then he is susceptible to be arrested. And this is what exactly happened in Gurgaon in this case. My client was repeatedly, the lawyer in this case was being repeatedly pressurized to give some statement against his own client. When he didn't give any statement, then on the basis of some statement taken from some accused while in custody, my client was called for, firstly he was summoned. He went on summons twice. Thereafter, he was being, by chats, he was being asked to give evidence against the accused. When he did not give any evidence, he was arrested on the 31st of October, when he was again given a third summon under 41A for the purpose of assisting the case. Now, interestingly, the summon is not for the purpose of, and no grounds of arrest were given. Now, grounds of arrest actually is created by taking my client into custody, because in the remand report, there is one line which says that there is a confessional statement. Obviously, that confessional statement must have been taken that very night when my client was when the lawyer was taken into custody. So it's a very disturbing matter for the entire legal profession, because if a lawyer who represents criminals, and if he does not cooperate with the investigation for giving evidence against his own clients, then this is what will be his fate, is what the Haryana police and Gurgaon police have demonstrated. So Supreme Court today has immediately directed the Commissioner Police of Gurgaon to get him released today itself. The Registrar General has been directed to communicate the order to the Commissioner Police, and the matter has been kept next week for them to file their affidavit and to see that the legal profession is not targeted in this very shameful way by the police in the country.